This is a very important year for all of you. This is the year that you guys are actually going to carve your futures. Finally, 12 years later, it's gonna make sense. Welcome to ceramic industries. Today you are going to walk out of here enlist with a study guide, a calculator, and a t-shirt that says you are proud to be part of this family. This year we are celebrating 50 years of existence since 1976. How amazing is that? Getting today, we are saying as ceramic industries, we are rooting for you. We want you to be helped as much as possible so that you excel and you get great marks.